Guys, can we normalize using umbrellas on a sunny day? Because the umbrella is not just meant for the rainy days, it's meant for the sunny days. Like, Accra is just so hot. Please, use umbrellas when you can. Welcome to ACCRA WE DEY here on MX24 Television. I am Chichi Emefine. As usual, we'll be interacting with the hustler. We get to understand your story, why they are doing what you're doing, and what exactly they inspire to be. And today is no different. So let's go. Let me look for a hustler. Hopefully, I get one hustler soon and speak to him. Oh my God, I just spotted a phone accessories seller. So I have my hustler here. Boss, I greet you. I salute you. How far? What's your name?
Please, I'm James.
You're Davis.
Please.
You are James.
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you. When did you start this work?
Since last year.
Since last year. Hey, you've been in the system for long. Anyway, so what's happening is we are going to try and be selling while I interact with you, okay? So yeah, why? So my first question is, why did you start selling accessories, phone accessories?
Because I need money.
You need money?
Yes.
Why? What do you need the money for?
I need it to continue my school.
You need to continue your school. Which school did you attend?
I completed Kentampo Senior High.
So what made you stop? Why can't you go back to university?
Because of money.
Let's take it one step at a time. When you say that you completed, what year did you complete? Which year did you complete school?
2022.
2022. So that's last year, right? Okay, so maybe your colleagues will be going to school this year. But why don't you have money? You are quite young. Your parents should be able to afford your fees. What is the situation at home?
My parents don't have money.
When your parents told you that they didn't have money, you can't continue school, how did that make you feel?
I was sad, but I have nothing to do. So what I can do is just have something like what I'm doing like this now. Yeah. That's what made my mind to start this.
This business?
Yes, please.
Okay. Now, your parents, what exactly do they do? What work do they do?
They are trading.
But how did they see you through senior high school?
It was cool. They were taking care of me. Nice, but I don't know why the reason why they tell they don't have money.
But with that one, your food, were they sorting you out? How was the situation like being a student?
Like they were giving me, they were sending me money. They were giving me, but
Like how much did they give you?
if I call them that I don't have money, they send me 20 CDs.
Interesting. For like how many days?
Maybe 2 weeks.
20 cedis for 2 weeks. How do you spend 20 cedis for 2 weeks?
I manage with the dining.
How do you survive at home?
I used to go to job.
You had a job?
They can call me at mason work.
Okay.
I will do labor.
Okay. So you picked up like these side hustles. So you were a laborer, mason, and all of that. How did that make you feel? Like, how old are you? Do you mind sharing?
My age, I cannot tell you.
You don't want to tell me your age, but you're a teenager, are you? You're a teenager. How does that make you feel when you know that your colleagues are going to school, your colleagues are probably sleeping at home, but you have to be on the streets and hustle? How does that make you feel?
What I can just say is that I will feel bad, but I have to manage it like that.
So now this business, you said you started 1 year ago. Who introduced you to this business?
My colleague.
Your colleague. How did he introduce you to it? Where do you get the accessories from?
I bought it.
You bought it. How much did you invest in this business?
This one is 150 CDs and this one 200 CDs.
So it means you have like 350 cedis. You invested 350 cedis into this business. How about the cases? Do you rent it?
Oh, no. I start buying it like if I get 100 cedis, I bought by this one can give me 1,000.
How did you get the money to invest in the business in the first place?
I just say that I was doing mason job.
Okay. So you were saving?
Yes, please.
Wow. How much did they pay you as a mason?
For 50 CDs.
50 cedis.
These things, the things I'm selling.
Okay.
That one is 1,000 cedis. If I sell, I'll get 10 back. My profit will be maybe 400 cedis.
So your profit, if you sell all, it will be 400.
Yes.
Okay. So how long does it take you to make this 400 cedis?
Maybe 1 week or 2 weeks.
What time do you start?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. And you end at what time?
I don't end though.
Hey, why don't you go home?
Maybe 1 or 2 at midnight.
Wow. This guy is hustling from 6 o'clock to 1 o'clock and you are sleeping at home. Hey, please wake up. Wake up, collect your money. Interesting. It's been interesting talking to you, but finally, I would want to find out from you at the end of the day, what exactly do you see yourself becoming?
Be a nurse.
You want to be a nurse? Wow, that's interesting and very feasible. So you plan on going to which school?
We have in Tampon College of Health.
Okay.
So I decided to go there.
Are you able to save from this business?
Yes, please.
How much have you saved so far?
Cannot tell.
You can't tell me. Okay, give me estimates. Okay, have you been able to save 5K? It has not gotten there. Has it gotten to 2K? That's the whole point, because I always say that it's not just about selling, it's not just about hustling, but what you do with the money and the profit you make out of it. That's most important, because you don't want to spend the rest of your life on the streets. You want to probably go back. Thank you so much, boss. But if people want to come and buy, if people want to patronize you, where do they go to? Do you want to share your number with them?
I don't have phone.
You don't have a phone? Hey, your matter is hard though. So yes, if you want to patronize him, is at Okbonglo. So just hit the streets of Okbonglo and you'll find him. But that's it for Accra We Dey. I'm going to be pushing for a while and see if I can make something, and then maybe we can wrap up this conversation. So yeah, we'll be right back. Boss man, please, what do you want to buy?
I want charger.
You want charger? Which charger? Android charger. Okay. How much is this going for? 10 cedis. There are lots of cords. Which particular one do you want?
I want this
You
one.
want this one? Okay. So 10 cedis. I should sell it for 10
Yes.
cedis. Okay. Pachaji wife. Famisi Kamami. And Charlie, it looks like today God is on my side, because like the sales are making it. Hello, boss. Please, which one do you want? What do you want?
Want to buy charger.
You want?
Buy charger.
Okay. This is going for 15 cedis. So you want this one, this particular one? Okay. Pacho. Charlie, my bread. The streets of Accra is so hot. We've been walking for hours and I'm so tired. Like, this work is not easy. The way people are hustling on this street, and I wonder how people are able to walk under the sun. But this is what James and his colleagues are doing on the streets of Accra. He says he wants to be a nurse. He started this work a year ago. He's raising money. Luckily for him, he's gotten about 2,000 cedis and he wants to go to school. Hopefully he achieves his dreams. But like I always say, the people on the streets are hustling for a reason. So be kind to them, be nice to them in any little way you can. And remember to use umbrella. Let's normalize using umbrella when you're walking on the streets, because Accra is hot. Why are we burning ourselves? Anyway, I am Chichi MFI. Shout out to my producer, CK.